Okay, so this is my favorite online converter. I didn't show it to many of you because it is a little confusing when you first start using it, but if you learn how to use this one, it's a one-stop shop, no tab clicking, no looking for like volume and time. If you understand the base unit, this makes things a lot easier for you. So let's start off here with this part of your notes. So I turned it sideways here just to make this make a little more sense. So in the middle you have your base unit. So every time you hear the word meter, it's about length, liter is about volume, seconds is about time, gram is about weight. So these are your base units. So when you're here, there's one down over here called the base unit. Let me scroll this up a little bit. One down here called the base unit. It's like, so like if you look at base unit and then there's deci and deca, so deca's right above it, deci's right below it. It's like you're looking at your notes. Look, here's your base unit, here's deca right above it, deci right below it. Below that will be centi and milli. So there's deca, base, deci, centi, and then milli. It's a little off screen, but is below that. So this comes in handy. Let's use a practical, like something practical. So here is 1 gram and I want to convert it over to milligrams. This is the base unit because it's just 1 gram. Okay. I know this is not a base unit because it has something in front of the gram. So we want 1 gram, which is the base unit. Okay, so base unit. And we want to convert it over to 1 milligram. So this is the hard part about using this converter. You have to get really good at the base unit. So again, I'm going from 1 gram, which is a base unit, to 1 milli, and then I understand that gram is here, and then I click calculate, and then it tells me. So here it is. It's 1,000. So you can ignore the little M thing right there. You just put the 1,000 right there. And that's it. That's how you convert. Let's try another one. So you're trying to go from 2 liters. Liter is the base because it's just a single letter, and you're trying to go to ml, milliliter. So let's try it again. So you're going from 1 base unit, liter, and then you want to take it to milliliter, click calculate, and it's basically going to spit out the same answer at you. So 1 liter is going to be 1,000 milliliters. Okay, so ignore the M thing. This is why, like I said, this one's a little bit confusing. If you learn how to use it, it's super fast compared to everything else. Let's try one more. So let's go 14 kilometers. So let's use this one because this one's off screen. 14 kilometers to meters. Okay, so I'm starting off at kilo, and I need to go to just the M. So again, I'm going from kilo, and I'm going to just the single letter M, which is the base unit. So let me double check my number here because I already forgot what it was. 14 kilometers. So we're going to put 14, and it's going to be kilo, and I know that it's meters, but I'm going from kilo down to the base unit. Let me calculate, and this will be my answer, 14,000. So that's what you would put here. You would put 14 kilometers is equal to 14,000 meters. I'll do one more. So let's do the 109 grams to kilograms. So let's come back. So let's go 109, again, grams. So that's the base unit because it's a single letter. So 109 grams. And then I want to take it to kilograms. I calculate, and it'll be 0.109 kilograms. And so that's how you use one of my favorite online calculators.